Hey, who is ready for cherry cobbler dump cake? It's a perfect dessert for any time of the year, but really great for summertime because we're going to serve it up with a little plop or dollop of some vanilla ice cream. And it is going to be a 10 out of 10 no matter when you make it, who you serve it to, and even if you just want to eat it yourself, right? Let's get into it. We're going to start out by greasing a 9 by 13 baking dish. Now we're going to add about 1/3 of the box of the yellow cake mix to the bottom of that baking dish. So it's just about 1/3 of that box. Now we're going to add our cherry pie filling on top of the cake mix. And we're going to actually add 2 cans. This is the first can that I am adding here. I'm going to make sure that that's spread out as evenly as possible. This is such a great recipe. It's so easy. 3 ingredients, toss it in the oven, and you've got a great, nice dessert. Super fun for the family, and or if you need to take a dish and go anywhere, to a potluck or to the office, this is a nice, easy one to take. So there is the second can of cherry pie filling. Now I'm going to add 1 stick of butter. I cut the butter up into pads, so I'm going to just toss the pads on top of that cherry pie filling to make sure that the whole 9 by 13 pan is covered with butter. And this also is a fun one to make with the kids too. If you're teaching kids how to cook, this one's a super easy one, beginner friendly for sure. And then we're going to, oh, there's my puppy Lily. She loves to lick the butter wrapper. She's a butter lover. I always let her lick the wrappers whenever I'm working or cooking, baking with butter. So she is always right there as I think she hears the wrapper. So there you go. You're such a good girl, Lily. Yeah, it's a nice little butter treat, huh? Nice little butter treat for Lily. Okay, I got to get back to the cake here. Got to finish this cherry cobbler dump cake. Okay, next after the butter, folks, is we're going to take the remainder of the yellow cake mix and place that, well, actually dump. Oh, it's a dump cake. Whoop, there we go. We're going to dump that right on top of the butter. We're going to spread that out to make sure that it's level and the whole 9 by 13 is covered with the cake mix. We're going to bake this at 375 degrees for 45 to 55 minutes uncovered. It's going to be delicious. Hey, here's a recipe card for you so that you can take a screenshot of the recipe so that you too can cook this nice cherry cobbler dump cake. And if you love cooking with me as much as I love cooking with you, hit that like and subscribe button so I can see more of you. All right, hey friends, here's our cherry cobbler dump cake. I did take it out of the oven and it did set up for a little bit, but we're going to go ahead and take a nice chunk out of this and test drive it here. Ooh, does that look good? Look at that. A nice dessert, I say, for any time of the year, but especially summertime, right? So I think that this always goes best with a nice dollop of vanilla ice cream on it. Let's take a nice big bite of this. Get a little bit of ice cream in there. So nice and sweet. That yellow cake mix is just perfect, nestled on the bottom, a little bit on the top, the butter. I'm gonna have another bite. It's actually a very old recipe, old but a goodie. It's always one that's gonna be great to make. Like, it's gonna be tried and true, right? It's a great recipe. And I would say I'm gonna have a third bite because it's really good. Nice and sweet. So here we go. So delicious. So don't forget the ice cream, a little Cool Whip will do as well. And hey, listen, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Take care.